told you there was a credit union that's giving up to $100,000 with its credit card. Hard to believe? Well, guess what? In this video, we are going to break it down, so you definitely don't want to miss this one. And this credit union is definitely the credit union you want to be part of in 2026. So sit back, grab some popcorn, take some notes, and let's get into the bag.
This conversation about building up your blueprint. It's time to take it, cause time is wasted. Go grind and chase it, don't lose it. This generation need integration with information to move with. An inclination that is abiding in entertaining improvement. Yep.
Hey, what's going on, Blueprint Nation? Welcome to another episode of the Respect My Blueprint podcast, where we cover all topics on personal finance, entrepreneurship, as well as business credit and funding as well too. All right. Now, today's episode, guys, we are going to talk about the hottest credit union in 2026, which is the State Department Federal Credit Union. Okay. I know a lot of people have been talking about Navy Federal, Penn Fed, and everything like that. But, those are the biggest and popular ones and everything. But today, we are breaking down this credit union, State Department Federal Credit Union, which is a hidden gem because the reason being, guys, they are giving out a Visa credit card with $800,000 credit limit. Yes, you guys heard this right. Typically, you would expect to get this type of credit limit from the big banks like Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America. Some of these big banks is not even giving credits that high, right out the gate. But guess what? This is a credit union that's doing so. And here's the best part about it. Membership is open to everybody. Yes, okay. No geographical restrictions or anything like that. So super excited to share about this particular video. And we're going to break down more information about this credit card, how you can join this credit union, and also some of the data points as well to be able to go ahead and get this card. So you definitely want to buckle up. We're going to give you the blueprint and everything like that. So let's go ahead and tap on in. But first things first, listen, typically I save this part of the video for the end, but I want to do it at the beginning because guess what? We're trying to grow our subscribers. Do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. Couple quick seconds, man. I'm about to go ahead and drop you give you the game on $100,000 credit card here, guys. The only thing I ask in return is hit the subscribe button. We're trying to grow our channel in 2026, and we're trying to go ahead and get it up there with the big boys. So I need your help. Go ahead, help your boy out. All right. So listen, okay. First things first, okay. Let's go ahead and check out this credit union here, all right, which is the State Department Federal Credit Union. All right. Now, as you guys can see here, the State Department Credit Union, this is a credit union. It was originally built for diplomats and federal employees. But guess what? Now it's open to the public through a simple membership plan by joining the American Consumer Council, which, of course, we're going to go ahead and go more into that later on. OK, now this credit union has been around for quite some time, guys. It's been around since 1935, and it was originally designed to go ahead and serve for, of course, the U.S. State Department employees. All right. But now, fast forward to 2026, okay, and it now manages over $3 billion in assets, and it offers, a lot of different benefits and features and products within their credit union, such as personal credit products nationwide. So, the great thing about this particular credit union, I really love it because of the fact that, again, not only are we talking about the high credit limit credit card that they offer, but of course they offer a wide variety of other products on the business side as well as the personal side, which we're going to go ahead and touch on in this video as well. All right. So now the great thing about this credit union, which unlike some of the other credit unions, you have secret backdoor hacks or secret methods that you have to be able to join and be an affiliate of. guess what? This credit union, its membership is fairly simple and straightforward because to join this credit union, all you need to do is become a member of the American Consumer Council, okay? As you guys can see here. Now, there's many other ways, of course, if you're a member of the State Department. I don't think most of us fall in that category, right? Have a friend or family member who is already a member of the credit union, be part of one of their organizational affiliates, or as you guys can see right here, which is the most logical and of course easiest selection for most of us, which is becoming a member of the American Consumer Council. Now, to become a member, which if you have not seen any of my other content, I encourage you guys to be able to join this particular to join the American Consumer Council, because for a low cost of a $5 membership, it unlocks dozens and dozens of credit unions you'll be able to join, which, you know, the State Department Federal Credit Union is one of them. So it is a small investment where it provides tremendous amount of value and allow you to be able to go ahead and become members of a lot of credit unions, in where in normal circumstances you wouldn't be able to do so without this particular opportunity here. Okay, guys. So, you know, again, the American Consumer Council is a nonprofit organization, $5 to join, and boom, you fund your account and you are in. That's it, guys. No military service required, no government employee, no referrals, nothing like that. All right. And the great thing is, once you approved for your membership, you can go ahead and start applying for credit products immediately. Although I wouldn't recommend it, because of course, we're going to talk about some of the steps that I highly recommend for you to do before you go ahead and start applying for that $100,000 Visa card. Okay, we're going to go into that. All right. Now, of course, here, the most important thing, the reason why I say I wouldn't recommend you joining, I wouldn't recommend you applying for the $100,000 card, because like every other major credit union and banking institution now in 2026, banking relationship matters. This is very, very important nowadays, guys, because you know, a lot of credit unions as well as banks, they don't want to see you attempt to do a money grab where you simply just create an account with them, sign up with them, and that same day or day after, you go ahead and apply for one of their credit products. Although you may get approved, but it's a strong likelihood you won't get approved for a higher limit or a high limit if you would go ahead and season the account season or establish the account for at least 60 to 90 days. So typically what I strongly suggest is that once you go ahead and set up your account and open it, fund the account, you know, set up a direct deposit, make some consistent transactions as well as deposits in the account. Show the credit union that you're looking to establish a relationship, build you up your internal credit score with the credit union, at least for 30 to 60 days. This will allow them to be able to go ahead and see that you're serious about committing to them, allowing them to be one of your primary banking partners. And then this will go ahead and put you in a better position to be able to go ahead and receive a higher credit limit once you start applying for the credit products. Okay. But as you guys can see here, you know, they do offer, you know, of course, across the board, typical checking accounts, savings account, as well as other products as well too. Of course, they have other products that a lot of people are accustomed to, such as auto loans, personal lines of credit, personal loans, as well as all within the for your home buying as well too. They offer mortgages and things of that nature, right? But again, they have a wide variety of other services. Of course, we're not going to cover them all throughout this video here, because of course, the main reason you guys are watching is because you want to be able to go ahead and learn about the $100,000 Visa business credit card, which we're going to go ahead and talk about. Okay, so stop wearing trends, guys, and start wearing the blueprint. Check out the Blueprint Movement website, where mindset meets drip. Listen, The Blueprint Movement website is just not all about clothing. It's about statement. It's about ownership. It's about discipline. It's all about getting to the next level. And if you want to be able to go ahead and do so, go ahead and put yourself in position with the merch from the Blueprint Movement website here, guys. All right, listen, if you're all about wanting to build wealth, build credit, build a future for yourself, hit the link down below and check out the drip. That'll go ahead and get you to the next level. All right, check out the website, guys. See you on the inside. Now, let's go ahead and get into it now. The State Department credit unions, they offer 3 credit cards, as you guys can see here, with the premium cash back card, the platinum rewards card, and a secured platinum rewards card. But now when it comes to the $100,000 when it comes to the $100,000 credit card, we are talking about the platinum rewards card here. Now, this card, in my opinion, is hands down the best card in the market for any. There's no credit union in the country that's offering a credit limit this high. And of course, as you can see here, it comes with extraordinary benefits, APR as low as 10.49%. Let's go into some of the details here. It does come with benefits such as roadside assistance, auto rental, collision damage, waiver coverage. You also receive your reward points as well too. 1 point for every dollar spent on this particular card as well too. No annual fees, no transaction fees, no paper statement fees. This is a very, very wonderful card here, guys. And again, if you have not seen it in social media or anything like that, who about, other influencers or other people on social media talking about it, this is the card here where, again, they're giving up to $100,000 limit. Although they don't disclose it here on the website, it's very easy to be able to go ahead and confirm this by simply, either applying or calling them up and confirming what is the credit limit for this card. But this is the Platinum Rewards credit card, is definitely the card that I highly, highly encourage everybody to be able to go ahead and apply for, because this is one of the top cards that's out there that gives you one of the highest credit limits. And the great thing about it, again, unlike some of the bigger banks that have a more stringent and a more cumbersome underwriting process, credit unions, as you know, they are membership owned. They don't have such a, what's the thing? They don't have such a, a difficult process when it comes to getting approved for any one of their credit cards or any one of their products. Okay. You don't have to have a 700 plus credit score. Having a 640, 650 credit score is sufficient enough, although you may not get the full $100,000, but guess what? You want to be able to get your foot in the door. You can still get approved for a respectable limit, act responsible for the card for a few months, and then ask for a credit limit increase. So therefore you can go ahead and build up to that $100,000 credit limit. Okay. So typically I would recommend you, again, following the blueprint, which is, first obtaining a membership. Once you obtain a membership, open up a checking and a savings account, which of course the savings is going to be mandatory. Once you do so, go ahead and set up consistent deposits within the account, whether it's direct deposit or just regular deposits you make. Then, of course, after 30 days, go ahead and apply for the card, right? Once you apply for the card and you get approved, then after every 3 to 6 months, go ahead and ask for a credit limit increase. This is going to put you in good position. I would say in little to no time, you'll be able to go ahead and get up to the $100,000 credit limit that they're offering with this particular credit card. All right, listen, credit unions reward loyalty and they reward consistent behavior. So if you go ahead and exercise these 2 things, you should be able to put yourself in position to be able to go ahead and get one of the biggest and best credit cards that's being out on the market right now. And of course, like I've shown in this video, they do offer other products such as, personal loans, personal lines of credit, auto loans, mortgage products, and everything like that. up to 40, 50 or higher, $40,000, $50,000 with their personal loans and lines of credit. So you definitely want to check it out. And the great thing is now they do pull from experience. So you want to make sure when you do apply that your Experian credit score and profile is on par, right? You don't want to have any late payments or anything like that on your TransUnion credit score. Okay, guys. Now, again, in my opinion, guys, this is the best credit card that's out in the market right now. I strongly recommend it. And also this credit union, having a membership with them, I strongly recommend you guys to do so. And, that's pretty much it right there. Again, some of the tips that I want to mention, before applying, making sure you keep your utilization below 10%. You don't have any late payments or derogatory payments on your Experian credit report before applying. Okay.
Hey, what's going on, Blueprinters? This is a video that I want to go ahead and share with you guys to encourage you guys to go ahead and join the Blueprinter community. If you want to go ahead and level up to that next level in building generational wealth, as well as empowering yourselves on financial literacy and credit literacy, I definitely encourage you to go ahead and join the Blueprint movement. We have some great things that's up and coming down the pipeline of this year. Many of you guys know my rags to riches story started actually right after the pandemic with that story and my experience during that time frame of me being a successful serial entrepreneur, launching the different ventures that we're launching here. And I felt like it's an obligation for me to go ahead and share it with you guys in my experiences, as well as, the trials and tribulations that I was able to learn and overcome. With that being said, guys, definitely go ahead and join the Blueprinter community. Tap in with us. We have some major things coming down the pipeline. I'm very excited with the movement. I'm very excited on where we're going. I'm definitely encouraging you guys to definitely tap in and join us, man. Listen, not only are we gonna show you how to build generational wealth, but we're gonna have a good time in doing it. All right. So tap on in with your boy. All right. See you later. Bye.
Also, make sure that you lock your TransUnion and Equifax credit report prior to applying as well too, because again, although that it is mentioned as well as known that they pull from Experian, but you never know, these credit unions and banks, they could change their systems and their algorithms at any day and time now. So you don't want to put yourself in a position where you're mistakenly keeping your other bureaus open, and that's going to go ahead and mess up your whole credit card applying strategy. All right. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for tapping in today's video. If you need more help or you want to be able to go ahead and put yourself in position to be able to go ahead and access gems like this and also other funding opportunities, check out our school community. This is our #1 community that we're growing in 2026 to help individuals like yourself, because obviously if you're watching this channel, you're looking to be able to get to the bag and get the blueprint to the bag. So if you want to learn more on be able to go ahead and do so, check out the school communities, absolutely free. We have a free community and a paid community. The link is in the description. It'll put yourself in position to be able to go ahead and get yourself to the next level in 2026. But other than that, I thank you guys for tapping in. Thanks for tuning in. Drop a comment. We love the engagement. Me and my team always stay on top of all the comments and everything like that. Tell me what your thoughts is about the content we just dropped today. Do me a huge favor. Hit the subscribe, hit the like button as well too. That's the only thing we ask in return. And as always, we're going to catch you on the flip side. Take care. Peace.
This conversation about building up your blueprint. It's time to take it, cause time is wasted. Go grind and chase it, don't lose it. This generation need integration with information to move with. An inclination that is abiding in entertaining improvement. Yep, let's Paul with Blueprint. This guests are exclusive. Get on and tune in and then learn some new tips about credit, finance, investment. A nice chance to get rich and buy land. Flip it, quick 9 bands. Learn all the skills from Wes, he did it. Learn how to build successful business. Run up a mill and get the digits. Run up a mill. Look, safe place where guests are speaking. Based off financial freedom. All facts, no cap, believe it. Podcast, you have to see it.